Yeah,
new
yeah.
housing.
You get $8 grand to destroy your house. How's this for junk?
Send us into that fucking,
Yeah,
go buy
yeah.
fucking houses or whatever. How much you give me for this house?
Perfect.
You already moved.
Taking some pretty big chomps out of her. I just watched the old owner of the house, that owner's grandkid or whatever will be watching YouTube and stumble upon it and be like, what the fuck? It's my house.
You had money put in one of the fucking...
I wanted that window, you know. Yeah, if you start seeing like dollar bills flying, you know.
I see one. They used to do that shit back then.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
used to put fucking money.
I don't see any old newspapers or anything in the attic.
Oh, that a piece of sheetrock up there though? That is, ain't it?
Yeah. Well, how many times they probably remodel this thing in the 100 and God knows how many years it's been around. It's much more interesting than a fire anyway.
Oh, hell
yeah. Oh, got the cable tight. Good thing there ain't really no basement in there. Sure built these old houses pretty tough.
Careful not to wreck that part of the house.
Yeah, we're saving that side.
You guys want to just bank these few hours for a couple weeks, or do you want to be paid today? It's doing whatever's easier for you.
Yeah, doesn't matter to me.
Well, let's bank them for a few days.
Okay.
You know? What time is it now? I think it's after 2. We were pretty much done at 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a fucking one right there.
Yep. Surprised my battery's holding out. Thought it was dead.
I never thought about bringing my camera.
Yeah.
I could have fucking brought it. But, oh yeah, I remember why I didn't do it, because I never had a computer. Now I got a
Now you got a computer and...
That's funny, I went out and I bought that, I had to buy a special USB cord
yeah.
to go from my computer to my Kodiak dock,
Yeah.
so I could actually print pictures that are on my computer.
Yeah.
As soon as I got that, that's when my computer started crashing.
That sucks. I got the computer I'm using for free. It was running slow, and they were getting a new one, so they just gave me the old one.
Yeah.
Gave it to my brother. I said, make it run fast. Lightning quick now.
Fuck, I got 2 computers upstairs.
Yeah.
I don't know what the fuck to do with.
Are they junk?
No, they're not. They're good. But the one that we got, I don't know how to. You know how they have that that safety mode where it...
The blue screen, or?
Well, it's just the safety mode. It's like that night thing.
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Well, I can't get my fucking screen to come on. I can't get it to come turn on.
Weird.
I mean, everything, you know, lights up, but the screen won't fucking pop up. My buddy's like, oh, well, you're probably your video card or whatever.
Yeah.
But all right. Well, I brought other shit upstairs, and I couldn't get it to work.
Yeah, I don't know shit about computers. Oh no, the corner. Trying to save that part of the house, guys.
On YouTube, this is what happens when somebody shows up to the wrong address.
Oh shit, wrong house. Is that your mom in there taking a bath? Oh, he's taking a little chunk out now, huh?
Is there a special way to destroy a house?
I'm sure there's some sort of technique to it.
I would have dug a little hole and got inside and started fucking exploding.
Yeah, but then shit lands on your head, you know? Yeah, you see.
Somebody already busted his ass there. Something probably fell in on him.
Yeah, yeah.
Right up top, I have that fucking trunk right.
You know, this is only the second house I've ever seen done this way. Like actually in person.
This is probably the first time.
Yeah. I watched them
afterwards.
Yeah. I watched them do one in town years ago when I worked for the city. On the city time, I'd sit there and watch them tear down a house. Those government jobs are nice.
Well, read them all, John Solomon. They usually got two backhoes, big fuckers. They just fucking a couple fucking swipes here and there, and shit's flying. And they got about 8 dumpsters lined up already.
Yeah. The door is open.
There you go, that's the fun. That whole fucking house. He's gonna have to stop right there.
Yeah, the dumpster's gonna be full. You can pack quite a bit in there though, I'm sure. You can push it down. Yeah. The guts of the house are just fucking insulation and 2x4s and that shit anyway. So. Well, my camera battery is almost dead, but I recorded quite a bit of it. I didn't watch the whole thing come down, but I got enough. Probably long enough that I'll have to split it into 2 videos when I get home, but that was kind of neat. I hope you enjoyed it.